Welcome to Idle Tales. Today I'm bringing you to the MotoAmerica Superbikes race at MotoAmerica, presented by Dunlop. I was there early enough to watch the Twin Stunts show. A lot of cool stuff these guys are doing. You'll have to check them out if you're going to one of these races. I was there on a Sunday, so this is all race 2 of each of these classes. I was excited to go in and check out the Royal Enfield class. I believe this was all girls, and I had to get over to the start-finish line. I really like the rev of the engines right before the start, and then you after lap 1 you see them whip by real quick. The winner of this class was Michaela Moore. And second place was Kaylee Boyek. Then I moved on to a different corner. And this would be the stock 1000. See, they're going a little faster. Couldn't make the turn there. Winner of this class was Travis Wayman. Second place was Caleb DeCrail. That's down by the podium. Definitely good celebrations going on there.
These fights in this long straightaway.
I went over to turn 1 to watch the Junior Cup. These guys didn't get to the podium for them. The winner for the Junior Cup was Rossi Moore. Second place was Max Vandenberg.
Greg and I ran into him earlier, and we did talk about that tournament. But the other thing he talked about, Greg, was really
looks like I headed over to Canada Corner. Real sharp turn over here. This would be for the Supersport class. 600s. That's one of those turns where guys coming into it a little too quick, they'll overshoot it. And, yeah, there's been some accidents and stuff there too. Supersport race 2 winner was is it Xavi Flores? Second place was Stefano Mesa. Alright, and we're on to the Superbikes. Had to make it back to the start-finish line. It's the best part, having them rev their engines, take off real quick. I was trying to stay for one lap to see him whip by. There's 12 laps in this, so I was able to get to 2 more corners right away. On my way to one of the corners, I I saw the a bike just like mine, so I had to take a photo.
He was charging towards the front, and then he had to pull his motorcycle off to the side of the track. So obviously, Jason,
You can see it was a really good turnout. That hill that they're going up there, everyone hiding underneath the trees there. It was a hot day, and that's a loud spot too. This here would be coming around the final corner, and I believe this is the last lap.
And Jason, of the front runners in the field, you have to keep in mind, of the top 6, there's only one.
Winner of the Superbike Race 2 was Josh Herrin. Second place went to PJ Jacobson, and third, Jake Gagne. They put on a good show. It was a lot of celebrations down there at the podium. Thanks for watching, Idle Tales. Make your way out to the races. Bring your friends and family. And I'll see you again next time.